Hey there guys, how's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is the Libman 2000 Wonder Mop with Wringer Cup. Yeah. Now, I've had this mop for probably going on almost 3 years now, and you can see the wear on it. It's still going strong. I mean, you can tell it's old, but it does the job, and it is a really good mop. I like it a lot and does everything it's supposed to do. These fibers here are super absorbent. It really sucks up the liquid really nicely. And the selling point of this mop is the fact that this part here, once you have it soaked in the water, or you've been mopping, and then you dunk it in the water and you need to wring it out, this is what sells this. Now, what happens is you pull down this part here and you wring it out like this by pushing this all the way down, and it wrings it out into the bucket, Then you let it go again, It works very well. Yeah. Used it for a long time now. It kind of shows. And it mops the floor really well. It has a metal pipe. It's pretty long. It's not a pipe, but a handle that you use. It's pretty long. It does the job. This mop is very old, and I got it a really long time ago, and it's still doing the job. Libman is a brand that I've used for all kind of different things. I mean, this is not the only mop I have from them. I mean, they're a good brand. I haven't had any trouble with any of their items. I even have a bucket from them that I use. I really like that they have this kind of fabric type of mop bottom. I mean, these fibers here, because they really scrub better, in my opinion, than the traditional yarny, ropey type of mops. Yeah, this is different. This is the first kind of mop I had like this, and the reason why I actually got it, because I used to use the other kind, the ones that were long, and that was just, that were like ropey type, the traditional kind. I used to use that kind, and I got turned on to this one because someone else that I knew was using this kind. They said that this kind works better. Actually scrubs better. It makes it so you can push and rub and get down into those stains better, and it does a better job at polishing and shining, and getting it down and clean. Yeah, I tried it and it works really well. Now, the only issue that I wish was a little different, and it's not a big deal really because I've used this forever and I haven't really had a problem, but I wish these were just a little bit longer. Maybe like, see, this one comes out to about here. I wish it was like maybe this long, just a little bit longer around, just in my opinion, so it would cover more area at the same time. It's just my opinion. It would probably be the perfect mop if it was a bit longer. So, other than that, I have no issues with it. It does a very good job. I've been using it a long time, and it cleans my hardwood floor and my tiles in the kitchen. It's really nice. really a nice mop, and it stands the test of time. It has not even thought about breaking. I thought at least a few of these would have fallen off by now because I'm pretty rough with it. You know, I'm not really taking it easy. These mops, it's something that I need a heavy duty mop because I really like my floors and stuff very clean. So I'm going to, you know, really push it. So, but it's really good, and I've been very happy with it. All right. Well, that's the Libman 2000 Wonder Mop with Wringer Cup. I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you next time. All right. Bye-bye.